Another thing you can do is rotate images. And there are two options with rotating images, because even when we don't see images that as a rectangular object, the computer still sees them as a rectangular object. So even if we have image transparency that makes it look like an irregular shape, it's still a rectangle in the computer's eyes. And so if I take that image and I rotate it 45 degrees, it's no longer a rectangle shape, right? It has corners and diagonal lines. The computer doesn't know what to do with diagonal lines in an image, not really. So if I rotate it, by default, what happens is whatever sticks out of the rectangle is just cut off. We'll just lose that information. If I add this attribute, expand equals true, then it will actually change the size of the image to accommodate the weird corners sticking out. So expand will expand the image to make sure that it works. Let's just show you those. So there's rotate. Okay. And you can choose the color of the background if you want when you rotate. Okay. And here is rotate with expand set to true. Okay, so there it keeps the entire image, but it now is a different image size. So it adds pixels.